Hey, what's up guys, my name is Swapnil Shrivastava and welcome back to YouTube channel. So first of all, let me tell that this video is a combination of 5 secret and cool commands for the Termex app, and I already made a video on this topic, that top 10 commands of the Termex app for the Android phone, and you guys shown a lot of the love to that video, so I thought to make another video on this series, and this video is a third edition to this series. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you that this video is a combination of some different commands which will help you to run some different type of the ASI based games on the Termex app. So what are the ASI based games? So basically ASI is the combination of some different type of the numeric values or some special characters like the dollar and the @ okay, so this game is the combination of these ASI values, and the combination of these ASI values will result into some different characters of the game and some different scenario of the game. Okay, so I hope you will like this video. So first of all, just go to description, you will find all the link related to this video, and you will also find the Instagram profile link of mine. So just go and just follow me there and message me whatever you are facing problem, and I will try to help as much people I can. Okay, so let's start video without wasting any time. So here you can see guys, I'm on my smartphone. So the first one on our list is the Sudoku. So who doesn't know about the Japanese puzzle game Sudoku? So Sudoku is exact copy of the Sudoku for the Linux desktop. It uses the ASI character for arranging the puzzle, and as Sudoku deals with a number, so it looks gorgeous even with the ASI elements. So most people are aware of the classic Sudoku rules, so hence I don't need to present a rulebook here. So Sudoku can make your terminal window into classic game console. Okay, so let's see how we can install the Sudoku on your Termex app. So first of all, open the Termex, and you can see it's just setting up, and here you have to just type a command. First of all, you have to update and upgrade the Termex. So for that, simply type your pkg space update and hit enter. So at this place, simply type y and hit enter. Now type y again and hit enter. Now type y again and hit enter. So here you can see guys, the update process is completed. Now the next command you have to run is the pkg upgrade and hit enter. Now as the update and upgrade process of the Termex is completed, now let's jump to the installing the Sudoku. So just type here apt hyphen get space install space Sudoku Nudoku, okay, and hit enter. Now you can see the installation of Sudoku is completed. Now type here Sudoku and hit enter to launch the game. So here it is. So just pinch in on your screen to just zoom out, and here you can see this is the whole game. So basically by using the mouse pointer like this, you can just change the location of the pointer, and even you can use your keyboard like this. Let me zoom out more, and you can easily use your keyboard like this. So for that you need to install the Hackers keyboard, so the link will be given in the description. Okay, so you can use the keyboard for just controlling the game. So as of now you can see I have my phone in the landscape mode, so it is having some issue to just make it full screen, but when you will play it in the portrait mode, it will be run fine, and you will have the proper space for your keyboard also. Okay, so you can just use the Sudoku for playing the famous Sudoku game, and I don't know the game rule because I never played it, but I just found that it is one of the most famous game all across the world. Okay, so just play it on your Termex app and enjoy. So now let's go to our next command. So the second on our list is the Curse of War. So this is not a typical action game, and this is not even possible for an SI game to implement dynamic objects in the game. So this game is a war strategy game. Although there is no storyline or historical basis for this game, you can feel the vibe of the World War I from the core concept. The game might seem boring to some people, but where the little bit of patience will help you to get the fun out of it. Okay, so let's see how we can install it and play it. So first of all, type here apt hyphen git space install, and just type the name of the game, that is Curse of War. So just type your apt hyphen get space install space Curse of War and hit enter. So it will install the game on your Termex app. Now you can see installed. So just type here the name of the game, that is the Curse of War. So this will launch the game on your phone. So just type here and hit enter. So here you can see, so this is the game. So you can simply use this game to build up your army and construct your base, and you have to set up your strategy and placement. So, and all the rules of this game will be on the home page of the game, and I will put down the link in the description for that. Okay, and you will get a different variants of this game on the internet, and this one is for the Linux, and you can easily play it on Termex app. So it is pretty cool, so you can just simply show it to your friends and have fun. So now let's jump to our third game. So the third one on our list is Intricacy. So Intricacy is a puzzle-based ASI game on Linux, and it runs inside a terminal window via the command line interface. The story is to build locks for protecting your secrets from others, while you also have to find the flaws of blocks built by others and hack them. But the gameplay is not that simple, rather it is much competitive and fun to play. So let's see how we can install the Intricacy on your Termex app. So first of all, you can go to their official site and download and install it from there to the Termex app, or either you can use the SSH. So without installing the game, you can easily just play it on your Termex app using the SSH. So let me show you that how can you do this. So first of all, you need to install the package called OpenSSH. So just type here apt hyphen get space install open SSH. Type Y here and hit enter. So basically this package will help you to connect to SSH server of this game. So without installing this game, you can easily play it from there. So after the installation of the OpenSSH will complete, so what I will suggest you to use the phone in the portrait mode. So as of now, you can see I'm recording the video in the landscape mode, and to run this game you have to make sure that your phone is in the portrait mode, because it takes a lot of space in the portrait mode. So it will not be easier to load this game in the landscape mode. So just simply turn your phone into the portrait mode like this. You can see. Now I will show you the next step. So after installing the OpenSSH, just type here SSH. Let me zoom a little bit and just give space and just type here Intricacy, that is INTRICACY @THEGONZ.net. So just type here SSH space intricacy@gonz.net and hit enter. And at the place of the password, it will ask you to give the password. Just give the name of the game, that is the INTRICACY, that is the Intricacy. The name of the game is the password itself. Now type that password and hit enter. Now it will ask for the username, so just wait here. Now give any username. I will give here my name, Swapnil, and after giving the username, simply hit enter. It will ask you if you want to save any password, so I will type here and I don't want to save password, and press any key to continue. So here you can see it is started the game. Now press yes to solve the lock. So simply here you can see, so basically this is the game, and you simply have to read the manual of this game. So I will put down the link of the official site of this game, so just go and read it here and play it from here. Okay, so the process is pretty simple to install the game. Simply install the OpenSSH and just use the SSH server to connect to the server of this game. Without installing the game, you can play it. Okay, so now let's jump to our next game. So the fourth one on our list is the NetHack. So this is quite a popular title in the world of SI game. So this is a D&D style role-playing game. Since role-playing games are also known as the hack and slash, so the developers including the hack word in the game. So the rule of this game are almost similar to the Dungeons and Dragons style game. So basically this game is based on the Dungeons and Dragons style games. So some of you might think it is a challenging game in the first fight, but after getting used to it, you will enjoy killing the time with it. Okay, so let's see how we can install it. So first of all, type here apt hyphen get install space NetHack. Okay, so just type here the name NetHack and use the apt-get install and hit enter. So you can see it installed in NetHack game. So to start this game after installation, simply type here NetHack NetHack and hit enter. So it will ask that whether the game should pick the character, race, role, gender alignment. So I will type here Y, and I will again type here to accept these changes. So I will type here Y again, and now it will show some details about this game storyline. So after the creation, the cruel god Molos rebelled against the authority of Timudrog. So these are some storyline of this game. Simply hit enter to read the next line. So now hit enter again to read the next part of the story, and now hit enter and hit enter again. Now go back here, you can see. So these are the basic gameplay of this game. So first of all, you have to make sure to learn the rules of playing this game. So basically this game features more than 40 randomly generated difficulty levels, and although it is an ASI game, so the graphics are quite improved and modernized. The players can collect from a wide range of in-game elements for using them in the game, and the game is full of combat and action to give you the ultimate RPG vibe. Okay, so just go to the official site of this game. I will give in the list description. Just go and read the rule of the game and play it on your Termex app. Okay, so now let's go to our next and the last game of this series. So the last on our list at the fifth number is the ANG Band. So this is yet another rogue-like game for the Linux distro. The gameplay fundamental is quite similar to what we saw earlier in the NetHack game. So however, this is a single player game, so the game lets you explore the dungeon and fight enemies. The ASI interface does not mean it will feel boring to play. Rather, I found this game quite addictive and fun. So let's see how we can install and play this game on the Termex. So simply type here apt hyphen get install ANG BAND. So the name of this game is ANG Band, and now hit enter. You can see started the download installation of this game. So just wait here. So here you can see the installation is completed. Now to run this, simply type here the name of the game, that is the ANG BAND, and hit enter. So here you can see it's saying that you need at least 80 to 24 cursor screens. So here you can see I turn my phone into the portrait mode. So first of all, simply type here the name of the game, that is ANG BAND. Okay, so this is the name of the game, and hit enter. So let me zoom out more and type the name game again, and hit enter. So here you can see, so this is the game. So now just you have to press any key to continue, and here you can see you have to select from human, half elf. So I will select the A option, that is the first one. Now if you want to be warrior or mage or druid, so what you want, so I will select A, that is the warrior. And now you can select these two options, that is the point waste or the standard roller. So I will select the first one, that is the point waste. Now here you can see, and here you can read all the instruction regarding the player that you just created. So the name is the of the player is the human, and it is the of the warrior class, and all the age, height, weight, everything. Now again you have to simply click on the enter to accept this thing, and the name of the character here is given, that is U0. So it will just automatically generate any name. You can even give your name. So I will hit enter again to save it, and now it will ask you to give Y or N to accept the character history. So I will select Y and accept it, and I will press any key to continue. So I will press enter. Now you can see you are in the game. So you can also simply go to the description. You will find the official link to this game. You can just go and learn the basic rule of this game and play it on your Termex app. So that's all guys for this video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, don't forget to click on the like button and comment down, so I will make another video on this series, and I hope you will like it. Okay, so even you can go to description, you'll find my Instagram ID link. Just go and follow me there, and if you face any issue regarding this video, just go and message me there. I will try to help as much people I can. Okay guys, so thanks for watching this video. Have a good day and good luck. Bye, take care.